Oh my gosh, I didn't even see you there. Give me a minute. My bad. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Lindsay and I do makeup tutorials on here. And you know, today we are doing something that I have been so excited for the longest time, ever since Shane and Jeffree have been doing their little docu-series on how they made this palette. Right here we are doing a tutorial and a few swatches, you know, first impressions, you know, the whole shebang on the Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson / Jeffree Star. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look using the Conspiracy palette, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so today's video, I'm just literally so excited. Like, when I was ordering this on launch day, was so focused. Like, I had my fiance's 2 computers open, I had my phone and his phone. I was like, we are getting this palette right now. Like, we are not messing around. So I got the mini one, and then I got the big old boy right here. And the thing is, it's kind of weird. It literally only took me 15 minutes to check out, but I did go on Morphe's website because I noticed that Jeffree's website, every time I would click on it, like, it would have like the Conspiracy palette and like a couple of clothing items, but nothing was loading because there was just so many people going on there. So I was like, I'm gonna head on to Morphe's website. And it was very nerve-wracking, but I just stood in line. I was like, I'm not gonna refresh. We are going to get this. And then voila, we got the little mini Controversy, and then we got the Conspiracy palette. So I'm happy that I was patient and just waited in line and stuck it out. All right, so I have an idea with what kind of look I want to do. I think I'm gonna try to only use the Conspiracy palette and then do like a separate video with the mini. Well, we'll see. Because you know what, now that I say that, I'm going to be like, now I'm going in with this shade from the mini. So you know what, we'll see what happens. I have not done any swatches yet because I kind of wanted it to be like a live first impression, but I did open and look at it. I cheated. I just wanted to peek. Right here, we have the Conspiracy palette. Like, can we talk about how amazing this packaging is? And I just love it. And I said before, I love how the Blue Blood had these little, like, you know, little locky majiggies, I don't know what to call it, you know, the little packaging on it. I just thought it was, you know, so cool and different because you don't see a lot of brands doing that. So I really appreciated that they did that with this palette. And let's open it up. Right here is the Conspiracy palette. Ooh, it looks so pretty in person. I was just waiting to see what it was going to look like, and then I already have a few little colors that I want to do, so let's swatch them first. We don't need that. It's a good mirror in here too. Maybe I'll use this mirror today. So one of the first shades that's like catching my eye is obviously food videos. I think a lot of people were like looking at that, and it actually has like a little bit of like some shimmer glitter in it, but it doesn't look like it's like too crazy. Maybe it's like more of like a satin kind of finish. But I have a good amount. Ooh, cute. I'm like, oh, okay. Ooh, that feels so nice too. All right, the next one I have right here is Not a Fact. Okay, so that is 2 layers of Not a Fact. Another shade that I like is Sleep Paralysis. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love that. That is so pretty. I might end up using that today. We'll see. I'll do one more. All right, I'm going to do this shade, the Illuminati. And there's that little guy right there. I don't want to swatch the whole thing because I feel like swatches can be like a little bit deceiving sometimes because, you know, they can look absolutely beautiful on the arm, but then what if you put them on your eyes and they're like patchy and they just don't look good, and then you just kind of like swatched it all over your arm. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my eyelids, you know, as per usual. So I'm going to start by priming both of my eyelids with the Eden eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. So I have like an idea in my mind, but you know when you have an idea for a makeup look in your mind, but like you just don't know how to like put it on your eyes? That's what I'm going through right now. But I think I'm going to go in with the Cheese Dust first, right here with the cute little piggy. Gonna swirl my brush. I think this is either a MAC or a Morphe brush. It is a Morphe M514 brush. And I'm just going to start by putting that only in the beginning part of my eye right here. And then in the outer crease right here, I'm going to go in with the shade Flaming Hot. Just going to tuck it right here and have those 2 colors as my crease. So it's obviously unblended. So I'm going to go in with this E.L.F brush. Yeah, this is from E.L.F and it's just a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start by blending out the edges. Using little circular motions can work. Sometimes the best way is just to go like back and forth. And then I'm going to go back in with cheese dust, just add a little bit more and then kind of just transition it into the flaming hot color. I already have cheese dust and then flaming hot in my crease so far, but I'm already thinking about just like cutting the crease already and not adding anything in the outer corner just yet. I got a vision. Let's put it on the plate. My eye is the plate. Usually my eye goes right towards like a champagne like that, but I just want to do something different. And you know, if it flops, it flops. But I'm thinking about going in with sleep paralysis all over the lid. What do we think? Let's give it a shot. So to cut my crease, I have to do my Jeffree Star concealer. Obviously, you know, Jeffree Star video, gotta use your concealer, duh. I used it on my under eye too, you know, gotta do it. So I'm just gonna take it and put it on the back of my hand as I would do with any other, you know, cut crease. And I'm gonna take this flat brush from MAC. I believe it is a 212 brush. Coat the brush and I'm literally just going to cut all the lid. Alright, and then just with a flat brush from E.L.F, I'm going to go in with the shade Sleep Paralysis all over the lid. And I didn't spray any setting spray, I just kind of want to see how it is without setting spray first. That looks really, really cute. The only thing is that it got a little crumbly right here, but I made sure I had my big fluffy brush on hand. This is just an E.L.F one to sweep away anything that, you know, a little fallout. Looking really good. It's actually, I thought it was going to be too dark, and that's actually perfect. All right, so now that we have our crease all done, we got our lid, I'm going to go in and, you know, smoke out the outer crease a little bit. And then this shade literally, I'm obsessed already. It's one of my favorite shades, is like a dark burgundy. One of my favorites is from MAC, but you know, if I can replace it with this and have a whole palette, duh, why not? So this is the shade Not a Fact, and I already have my little finger swatch all up in it, so rest in peace the little print. Right, and this is just a MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to pack it in the outer crease. Alright, and then with just a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend everything together. I took a little bit of Flaming Hot just now, and I'm going to put it right here, just so we don't lose that red as well. You know, I'm not having any trouble blending these out. Sometimes my outer crease will look patchy, but it does not look patchy at all on, you know, either one. So far I'm impressed, because those darker ones in my outer crease, sometimes it's just not cute. So now I have my liquid liner on, which is right here, and then I went in with some mascara as well. For the eyeliner today, I actually just dropped it. I always drop everything, what the heck? I tried something different. I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's a like very dark navy blue eyeliner from E.L.F Cosmetics in the shade Midnight. And then also I went in with just one of my favorite mascaras from Thrive Cosmetics. And next I'm going to be going in with Venus Flytrap in my waterline. So I'm just going to, with a pencil brush, add it right to my liner. Just letting it dry right now. I might go in with a second layer once it dries, but we'll see. I'm actually going to start off with food videos in my under eye right here. Tap off that excess and put it right under here. That looks really, really cute, but I think I want to just darken it up just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the shade Illuminati. So with that same brush, I'm going to just smoke it out. Alright, I'm going back in with the shade Food Videos just to kind of add a little bit more of this color, back into the look. Alright, and we are almost done. I did end up going back with Venus Flytrap and just adding a little bit more just to make it pop a tiny bit. So last but not least, I'm going to take Ranch and highlight my inner corner and then add it right on top of my existing highlight. So, which is kind of like a pointer pencil brush. Just going to dive right into it and just highlight that inner corner. Ooh, that looks really good. It reminds me of Ice Cold a little bit. I already have one of Jeffree's highlighters on right now. It's the shade Sarcophagus, so I'm just going to see how they blend together. With a Morphe 5110 brush, I'm going to add it right on top. That's a really cute highlight. It reminds me, like I said, just so much of Ice Cold, so I'm gonna love it. So off camera, I just went in with the liquid lip shade from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Can't Relate. Absolutely love this packaging forever. It's so cute with the little sparkles on it. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching today's tutorial / review on the Conspiracy palette by Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, the collab that they did together. If you guys aren't subscribed, then what are you doing? What are you doing? Subscribe already. Come on, you know you love me, right? So I do makeup tutorials on this channel, and I also do unboxings as well. So if that interests you, then you know, subscribe. Stick with your girl. I think I'm kind of funny, you know, and I think my makeup looks pretty bomb. So like, you know, stay around. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye. Have a great week.